Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You never know when the cold weather is going to really start to get to you, and when it does, you will be nice and warm and cozy with this beautiful set from Kawior. This is a 3-piece hat, scarf, and glove set. It is made out of a beautiful, thick acrylic material, and what I really like is that everything is really finely woven, so it's durable and it does not pull or catch on anything. The gloves have the touchscreen feature, making them really convenient if you take your phone with you when you're outside for a walk or even just out and about doing errands. I really like the hat. It has a nice thick lining, making it feel really warm and fuzzy and soft, and it has a nice big, wide, thick cuffed edge at the bottom, making the hat feel really comfy. I also really like the hat because it's adjustable, so you can really pull it down onto your head, or you can have a beanie style where it's hanging in the back, making it look really cute and fun. The pattern is woven across all of the 3 pieces, and it is a really pretty wintry pattern. Whether you wear all 3 pieces at once or you divide it out, you will have lots of fun being nice and warm and cozy with this super cute matching set. But that's just my point of view.